Hello students, so let's find out the value of this expression. Let's rewrite our equation, which is 9 plus square root of 36 plus square root of 144 plus square root of 625, and square root of 625 is 25. So we'll start with the innermost square root. Let's go to the next step. It will be 9 plus square root of 36 plus square root of 144 plus 25. 144 plus 25 is 169. So now we'll find the square root of 169, which is 13. So that's going to be 9 plus square root of 36 plus 13. So next step will be square root of 9 plus 36 plus 13 is square root of 6 plus 3 is 9 and 3 plus 1 is 4. Square root of 49. So square root of 49 is 7. So 9 plus 7, which equals square root of 16, and square root of 16 is 4. So our answer is option 1, which equals 4. So we'll circle that one. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.